In recent years, we have seen frequent extreme weather around the world. These events are often attributed to global warming. But is that a false story? Behind extreme weather, there is another important factor. A familiar example is El Niño, which develops in the tropical Pacific and influences global atmosphere through what we call teleconnection.
Everyone is interested to know about the summer heat. Let's talk about why summers are so hot now. If we struggle to forecast next week's weather, how can we predict what happens 6 months from now? How much do we know about global climate change? These are common questions I am asked. How much of what we're seeing reflects natural variability, and how much reflects global warming? Atmosphere-ocean phenomena, such as El Niño, can be predicted and monitored. Teleconnections enable us to track abnormal weather and make sense of it on a global scale.
In this lecture, I'll focus on the mechanisms of natural variability. Then I will explain how global warming modulates the natural variability and amplifies current extreme weather.